Hello, welcome to another problem of the day. It's math time and it's April 24th, 2020. So let's get started. All right, we always start with our math norms. Our math norms. Listen to classmates and teachers. We appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. All right, it's time for our problems of the day. We've got some different ones, but they're all review for us. So I want you to really use your problem-solving strategies. That's your learning target, is always on these problems of the day. You really need to think creatively to figure these out. So what time is 4:15, 8:30, 7:15, and 11:15? Then I've got an addition equation for you to work on. 2 3/5 plus 4 4/5. What will we have there? Okay, so I want you to pause the video and work on these, and then we'll go over our solutions. Have fun. Okay, I'm back. I hope you were using your pencil and your paper to figure these out. We've got mixed numbers over here. We will do those second. Before we get started, or pardon me, before we start on our equations over here, we will talk about time. Okay, so if it's 4:15, we need to think of the clock in 4 equal parts, okay? So a quarter, so we need to think of, if it's 60 minutes, we need 4 equal parts into 60. So we know that half of 60 is 30 minutes. And then if we think about the circle, half is 30 minutes. And then what is just that first quarter? That's 15 minutes. So 4:15 is 4:15. All right, just gonna delete some of that so we have some room. 8:30, we know that half of 60 minutes is 30 minutes, so 8:30 is 8:30. 7:15, that means it's not quite 7 o'clock and it's the last quarter. So that's 6:45. Sorry, my dog's a little excited here. Oh, I'm gonna pause it. Hi, sorry about that. My dog was excited because he saw my family arriving from the park outside, and so he got a little barky. So I apologize for that. So now we're on our last one, 11:15. So it's not quite 11, so that means it's 10:45. 10:45. All right. Okay, so oops. So now it's time for us to figure out 2 3/5 plus 4 4/5. When we're adding with fractions, we always keep the denominator the same if they're already the same, okay? So let's do the easiest part. First, we'll just add the whole numbers, okay? I need my tools here to write. All right, so my whole numbers, it's pretty easy, 2 plus 4, we know that. Okay, so that's 6. Now we need to add the fractions together. Now, since our denominators are the same, that makes it easier for us, so we just keep it. So that'll be 6 and something fifths. Okay, excuse me. So then all we need to do is add the 3 and the 4. So what we get is 6 7/5. But 6 7/5 is an incorrect way to sorry, my family is a bit loud. So 6 7/5 is an incorrect way to write it. So we know that 5/5 is 1 whole. So we change that to 7, and then we have 2/5 left over. So what we have is 2 3/5 plus 4 4/5 equals 7 2/5. This is the correct solution right there, 7 2/5. I hope you're having a terrific day. Thanks for working with me.